Hello, in this video I will talk about laboratory, more specifically a biological laboratory. Laboratory is a place where one can bring in new ideas, concepts and to test the existing concept through experiments. Any discipline of science requires experiments, and so practical forms an integral part for designing an experiment. To develop scientific attitude and to develop relevant skills and techniques and to know different realms of techniques and methodologies for scientific investigations, a laboratory is important. Investigations increases our abilities to think, reason, question and to inculcate scientific attitude. For a learner, acquisition of skills of scientific processes can only be achieved in laboratory. So, biological laboratory provides an excellent environment to study vast diversity of living organisms systematically, their interrelationships with the environment in a scientific, data-based and logical way. Correct observations and experimentally viable results will bring positive outcome. Here, processes of learning is accompanied by hands-on experiments. A laboratory teaches the skills on how to handle the vast diversity of living organisms, be it plants, animals, fungi or even microscopic organisms like bacteria. For a biologist, before acquiring skills to do practical through thorough knowledge on theory of biochemicals, molecular, physiological, behavioral, genetic phenomena of living organisms is important. For a biologist to study life correctly or implementing methods is very important, which can be simple like habitat study, external morphology of life forms. Sometimes critical manipulations are important like dissection and section cutting of the parts of the organism to study in minute details. Sometimes microscopic study is also important to get better insight of the organism. For those specific skills like peeling, section cutting, fixation, staining, dehydration, mounting becomes important. But for analyzing biochemical, physiological and ecological aspect, certain other skills are important like chemical preparation of reagents, designing and performing an experiment with the right protocol, observing the experiments and recording the data. Data recording with honesty is important and integral part for logical interpretation and to fix errors.